Welcome to KJTS Group, where we provide building support services with innovation and sustainability. Since our foundation in 1984, we have an established track record for the provision of cooling energy, cleaning, and facilities management services, serving across markets in Malaysia, Singapore, and Thailand. At the heart of our services is our holistic approach to cooling energy management. Our in-house engineers provide end-to-end services, supporting the complete life cycle of cooling energy systems. Through value engineering, we not only lower the capital costs of cooling energy systems, but also enhance energy efficiency, reducing operating costs. In our EPCC projects, we meticulously carry out or oversee installation works, ensuring excellence and timely delivery on all of our projects. Our stringent management and supervision of these projects highlights our dedication to quality and reliability. We also provide comprehensive facilities management services, utilizing technical expertise and technology to offer transparent and cost-effective solutions, including static and mobile facilities management. From conducting detailed energy audits to ongoing operations and maintenance, we aim to ensure optimal efficiency at every stage of our cooling energy management services. Our Central Command Center exemplifies our commitment to advanced technology, enabling remote system monitoring and control and big data analytics reporting. Our mobile facilities management team is on the move 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Our preventive and major maintenance measures are designed to prevent breakdowns, and especially serving clients with assets in multiple locations. This forward-thinking approach reflects our commitment to exceeding industry standards and supporting our clients' long-term visions. KJTS Group's cleaning services span across a wide range of properties, from commercial spaces to theme parks and high-density residential areas. Our specialized cleaning for clean rooms and manufacturing facilities sets us apart, showcasing our versatility and skill. Aligned with ESG principles, our projects have significantly cut electricity consumption, saving approximately 52,441 megawatt-hours and reducing CO2 emissions by approximately 32,619 tons between January 2017 and November 2023. KJTS Group holds 4 ISO certifications, My Hijau Mark, and CIDB certificates. We are also registered as an Energy Service Company, ESCO, by the Energy Commission Malaysia. With a growing regional footprint from Malaysia to Singapore and Thailand, grounded in local expertise, our commitment to excellence has earned us trust and accolades across borders. As we continue to expand and innovate, KJTS Group remains dedicated to providing high-quality, sustainable solutions in the building support services industry. KJTS Group, Building Support Services Provider.